3, 2, 1, 0. Start.
If you must succeed in flattening your stomach and get the abs of your desire, then it's important to at least have basic understanding of the stomach and its core muscles. Though the stomach is made up of several structures, but for the sake of simplicity, we will have to concentrate on just the part or parts that's vital to this course. The aim for this workout scheme is the stomach muscles, which are most times referred to as abs. However, the workout plot will be extended to the entire core muscle structure for the purpose of achieving fast, effective, and a realistic result. Talking of core muscles, there are three major core muscle structures. The first muscle is in the front stomach, rectus abdominis, also known as six-pack muscles. The second is wrap around the stomach, transverse abdominis, otherwise called deep abs muscles. While the third is the obliques, which is also known as side abs. There are tons of exercises to work these abs, but planks are amongst the most impactful. Reverse plank, side plank hold, dynamic plank, high plank, plank bicep taps, rocking plank, plank toe taps, and inclined plank are all good planks to work the abs. But the problem is, most of them target just a specific core muscle instead of all the core muscles for quick and better outcome. Nevertheless, the uniquely selected planks you'll be seeing in this video has more proven success because movements integrate the use of all three core muscles. Make sure to follow this workout consistently to get results. After watching this video, you can save it to rewatch anytime, so you'll be familiar with the exercises and to enable you to always perform them correctly. The first exercise on this program is inchworm and plank leg lift. This exercise strengthens the front core muscles and also serves as a great warm-up exercise for this course. It will be demonstrated for just 10 seconds in this video, and then I'll show you the next plank exercise, which is vital for the abs.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause
upcoming workout. 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off.
This plank workout is one of the most powerful resistance training I know. Though, it's almost impossible to perform this workout if you're not an advanced trainer. So, you can make it a challenge to keep trying till you improve and do it correctly. The front plank with arm and leg lift is a perfect way to work your entire core muscles.
8 seconds left. Time off. Rest. Upcoming workout. 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off.
Imagine how cutting wood with a saw works. Only this time, your body will be the saw. To effectively execute the body saw plank exercise, take a plank position by lying on your forearms and toes. Move your body front and then back. But make sure you always hold the plank position for at least 3 seconds before moving your body. That way, you feel the real contraction in this workout.
Upcoming workout. 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off.
Remember, as a beginner, you don't have to perform any of the exercises too fast. You can start slow and easy. However, remain consistent throughout the journey. Let me know in the comment section how often you work out and which country you're watching from.
Seconds left.
might regret if you don't see this next workout scheme.